Folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Went to AT4 and bought a bunch of cars this week. This is one of them. 23 Duramax AT4 right off their front line. 60,000 miles and just absolutely near new condition. I can't find any issues with this truck at all. Aiken serviced it, of course, but we'll still put it through the shop and check it out. Make sure they didn't miss anything, but runs and drives perfectly. Like I said, 60,000 miles. AT4, never been anyone's work truck, as you can see by looking at the bed. It's got the good tailgate on it that does all the fancy stuff. I guess it goes down one more time. Backup cameras. Sliding rear window, got the beautiful leather, two-tone sunroof, no wear at all back here, as you can see. None up front either, none in the exterior. If you're looking for an AT4, I think you found your truck. I'm going to price this thing really aggressively, make it super fair. Both keys, both remotes, got the big screen in the middle. I think the GMC definitely has a little better look than the Chevy the last couple years. It always goes back and forth. Who has the better looking truck, in my opinion? That frost on the outside of the window from the AC sitting there running. Memory seating. You can see all the options of this truck on my website, all the additional options on top of the AT4. Just scroll all the way to the bottom of the website and we put in the actual factory options on top of what's on the AT4 package. Gives you a lot better idea. There can be big discrepancies. You could have two AT4s and one be, $10,000 more than the other, and the books don't really reflect that. But anyway, that is the truck. Give me a call anytime. We have good financing for good credit, super low rate financing. We have bad financing for bad credit. So give me a call. We sell our extended warranties at our cost. We don't mark them up for a profit because we think everyone should have one. You can get me on my cell anytime. Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.